Okay, so we're at 10 number of cycles, and this is when the LG recommends that we clean out the lower filter and check the back of the top filters. So I'm just going to do that today. Just get rid of my phone here. And the filter door is down in the bottom. This is the same as in all LG machines. And you can see when I open it up, there's the hose and where the filter is. So I'm just going to put this under here in case there's some water. I usually just see if this comes off. Yeah, it does. It's like the other one. So I get the hose out here and my bowl, and the water comes out slowly. Okay, there we go. Fill up. Okay, this will be the boring part. I will come back when we're getting ready to take the filter out. Okay, and it looks like I'm done. Just gonna put this back in, push the hose in a bit, stick it back in here, and unscrew this counterclockwise. Might be a little water, yeah, some water coming out of here. Just a little bit, and take it out, and take a look at it. So after 10 washes, oh, look, we do have a little bit of gunk in here. I don't know if you can see it. Got some lint. Just put it in the bowl with the rest. And I'll just stick this cloth up in there in case there's anything further up in. And no, it looks pretty clean. That's clean. A little lint on the back here. It's not too bad. It's normal. Looks good. There's someone's hair. And that's about it. Don't really need to rinse it off. It's pretty clean through and through. Not a lot of dirt in it. And I'll just put it back in. And that's it. It's done. Blue dots match. And we're all done. Now up to the top of the machine. Okay, so we're at the top of the machine. This was cleaned out on the last after the wash. Got that. One thing that's good to check is this seal right here. And you see there's a little bit of lint in there. Just go around it. It's pretty good. And then on the bottom, it's not bad. Got a lint up there. Got a little lint left in the tray. And it's starting to get a little better, but you can still see through it, so it's good. Let's put it back in, put that there. So it's gonna hopefully get this off. Here we go. It's a sticker. Screw, and these it'll push down and out that comes, so that's pretty good. And then once that's out, you can just pull this out. There we go. And there is lint, so we have a lot of lint around the top here after 10 loads. Quite a bit of lint. Quite a bit of lint. Yep. Let's put that there. So just sort of taking it off. I get a light. It's not too bad in the hole. You can't get brushes for this. It's like a long, almost like a test tube cleaning brush. Now look on the filters here. I don't think you can see, you can't really see it, but there is a little bit of lint. Let's bring that in. I should throw the light of the camera right off. And I found this brush here. So I got water in there. Hold on. Let's just got water there. Now you just brush down on the fins, and gently, you don't want to bend them. You can see I've got some lint there. It's a little damp, and that looks about it. Yeah, there's no more on there. So I've got this lint here. This was on the back of this piece here and some under the fins there. That's after 10 washes, or 10 loads, a couple quick loads, and the other ones. That's not too bad there. That's pretty good. Let's turn this off, it's kind of bright. There we go. I can see again. I'm just going to put this back in. That's the way it came in. See, that goes in. Okay, so it's me. Oh, okay, that's better. Oh. Nope. No, still. Ah, there we go. All right, got it that time. Great, and this should just go, the fins were down at the bottom. No, this piece goes in. Ah, there we go. Okay, screws matched up. First time. Not the greatest. And I'll just put this back in. Screw it back down. And that's it. Nice tight. Don't want to crank it down too much. Could put the little sticker back on top. Make it all nice and pretty. I think the sticker's gone. Okay, that's no good. All right, so cleaning up, not too bad. Didn't take too long. It's about 5 minutes to clean that up. And it's always good because preventive maintenance helps the machine last longer and helps with the dry cycles, especially when you get the lint in this area here. And a little bit of lint. I was quite surprised there is so much lint around the exit in this part. Well, this part here. It was, I didn't think it was that much. I had reached in before a couple times and pulled, I just take my finger and pulled some out like this, and it didn't seem too bad. Like there was some on the fins here, but I didn't realize it was all wrapped around the end, so it's good to take that out after every 10 loads. And that is today's video. So screwdriver, a little fin brush, it's just a sort of a little rigid, but soft bristles, not to affect the fins that are in there, and just brushing down is the best way to do it. You don't want to go across because you could bend the fins, which will affect the performance of the machine. And that's today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Thanks for watching.